Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get premium features in Magic Tile 3. Unlocking the premium features in Magic Tile 3 gives you access to VIP songs, ad-free gameplay, and more fun without interruptions. First, open up the Magic Tiles 3 application on your device, and once the game loads, tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now you will be able to see this free trial button. Simply tap on that. Now click the See All Plans button and you can go ahead and get familiar with all of your plans that you can choose from. Choose one of the plans and tap on Try Free Now. You will get 3 days free trial, and then after the 3 days are over, then only you will be charged for the plan that you've chosen. Follow through the on-screen instructions, and once the payment is successful, premium features like exclusive songs, no ads, and unlimited retries will be instantly unlocked. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.